Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to measure angles and arcs. I'll write that down. Now, before we get started, we need to get some important terms out of the way. Here are some terms you need to know. One is the central angle. Another one is the arc. Another one is the minor arc. Another one is the major arc. And another one is a semicircle. And last but not least, arc length. The central angle is an angle with a vertex in the center of the circle. And I'll write that down. And here's a picture of that. That point is in the center of the circle, and that's an angle. An arc is a portion of a circle defined by two endpoints. Portion of a circle defined by two endpoints. And I'll draw that too. So this is an arc right here. This is another arc right here. A minor arc is less than 180 degrees. So it looks like this. This arc is less than 180 degrees. Because the central angle is less than 180 degrees. A major arc is an arc that is greater than 180 degrees. Looks like this. And the arc would be right there. That's greater than 180 degrees. A semicircle is an arc that equals 180 degrees. So it looks like this. This is 180. This is 180. Arc length is basically the length of the arc. Length of the arc. And to solve arc length, you will probably need the equation for solving the arc length, which is, I'll write that down right here. Length is equal to x over 360 times 2 pi r. R stands for radius, and x stands for central angle measure. Well, degree, I guess. Yeah, so that's pretty much the terms you need to know. Let's get started with some problems. Problem number 1. Let's say you have a circle. Looks like this, and this is 125 degrees right here. Yeah, you see, and that's the central. That's the center of the circle. And it asks you what's the measure of arc AC. Well, you would just give them 125 degrees. Because the central angle is 125 degrees, so the arc AC is also 125 degrees. Now, a more challenging problem would be something like this. Like, if you were given a circle that looks like this. Let me draw it out for a second. Hold on. And that says it's 112 degrees. Q. And it asks you, what's the length of QT if the diameter is 9 centimeters. Well, you would just use the equation for arc length. Well, making sure they're asking you for the arc length of QT if the diameter is 9 centimeters. So you would use this equation right here. I'll write it down. Equation is length is equal to x over 360 times 2 pi r. Now remember, r stands for radius, not diameter. So the radius of the circle would be 4.5, and you would do 2 pi times, it says 112 degrees, so you do 112 divided by 360 length, and yeah, you take out your calculator. Turn on the calculator, plug in the numbers. Not sure if you can see this. 112 divided by 360 times 2 pi times 4.5, and you would get around 8.8 centimeters. So yeah, that's the arc length of this problem right here. And that's pretty much measuring angles and arcs. Hope this video was helpful.